Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Office build and whether Office is 64-bit versus 32-bit, because fixes differ by architecture. Next, back up your VBA projects, export modules and save them externally so changes are reversible. Enable the Developer tab, then set Trust Center, allow access to the VBA project model, and set macro settings to enable signed macros. Once done, restart Office to ensure settings apply. Make sure to note exact error text. That guides the next targeted repair steps. You run Office Quick Repair first. It fixes many broken components quickly, but if errors continue, perform an online repair because it reinstalls core files. Then open the Visual Basic Editor and check references. Uncheck any marked missing, browse to re-add the correct library versions because mismatched references cause error 400. After that, run SFC and DISM to repair system files and re-register VBA DLLs with regsfor32. Once complete, restart and test a simple macro to verify progress. You finish by isolating whether the problem is the project or the environment. Create and run a minimal new macro. If it runs, re-import modules one at a time so you can locate corrupted code or forms. If error 400 persists, recreate the workbook in a fresh file, try a clean Office user profile, and install the latest Office updates because patches often fix runtime bugs. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, export key code and rebuild the project stepwise. This exposes hidden corruption fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.